Okay, go.
So, hello everyone, my name is Monika, and today I'm going to be presenting Crispy, so a CO2 offset trading marketplace. Climate crisis is a real thing, and we as humanity put a lot of resources to combat it. But still, problems like deforestation aren't leaving the scene. And, well, I guess cutting forests simply seems as the more profitable choice. It's, as they say, money doesn't grow on trees. But what if it could? What if any forest owner could preserve their forest and not cut it down and still earn some money? So I'll return back to that idea. First, I'm going to talk about some legislations that have taken place to combat it. So around the world, initiatives have developed to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. And in EU, for example, it's emissions trading system that has been developed for this very purpose. So it requires companies across many fields to either reduce their greenhouse gas emissions or pay some forest owners to consume or offset them. Only recently, this trading system has shifted from the government model to the private sector, which is very good because everyone can take part. And with every new thing happening, a problem arises. So there's no straightforward way for the companies to actually sell their CO2 offsets. And here, we spot a lucrative market opportunity. So we will combine CO2 capture initiatives, the forestry industry, emissions trading system and their laws, and new technologies from satellite imagery. With this, we plan to bridge the centuries-old business and bring it back to life to the modern market, serving the environment. And we propose a solution, which is a space downstream application, or an online platform, where any company can find the list of forest owners and do business with them. So we have talked with forestry experts, and I'll pinpoint 3 reasons why they find it very valuable. So the first one is that it's going to be globally accessible and doesn't require any on-location human labor. It's also very fast, and of course, it's cheap compared to on-location human labor. So to accomplish this, we have looked into multiple options, what we could use, and we could combine Pledis Neo and tree detection height algorithms for Airbus and UP42 platforms. And this is a prototype of how the app could look like. So the market challenge is making this accessible and for the forest owners to be interested in it. And it's going to be done easily by creating an app where all the calculations and the information is displayed right on the screen. So these are our competitors, but none of them are looking into a similar approach. So we have a clear way of moving forward, because we're the first ones for now that propose a solution like this. And we are targeting forest owners, we're user-friendly, and using satellite imagery. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you, Monika. Questions?
Is this working?
Yes, the microphone's working.
Okay, okay. So 2 questions, but let's start from the first one. You said several times we.
Yeah.
Who is we?
Yeah, unfortunately, I didn't get to the last slide, which is our team. For now, we are a team of motivated students who have been working on multiple projects, including rocketry field and being in close touch with the Latvian Space Agency. So our competences are engineering, programming, and mechanical engineering. So, and we lack like expertise in the law and the legal field, which we plan to develop in the future by finding experts and hiring them to help us.
what is your business model?
So for now, this is our idea and the prototype of the first stage, which I have discussed. So the business model is, for now, in the first stage, we would require funding of around 50,000 euros for the first launching investment for hiring specialists in the forestry industry and the law field, and also buying the packages from Airbus and UP42 of the satellite data. That's the first stage, and then we plan to, within 2 years, develop to a fully functioning company which can actually sell their product to the customers.
Okay, one more question. Timo, sorry, some other...
If I ask about the business model,
Yeah.
so what are your customers paying for?
Our customers are paying for a service of seeing how much their forest is worth in terms of CO2 consumption. So it's something that's not done currently. You can see your forest and you know its land mass, but you don't know its CO2 consumption ability. And the platform connects companies that want to buy these CO2 offsets and people who want to earn passive income by selling their CO2 offsets from growing forests.
Okay, one last quick question. You have a question?
Yes. Have you researched who are the owners of forests? Because I would guess that in many countries, the country is the owner, not a specific person.
Yeah, we have researched this. So it depends on the country, but mostly it's like half of the forests are owned by the government and half are owned by the private sector. So in total, like we're talking about 1.5 million square kilometers of forests across Europe that we could access, which would be the private industry, not governed by the government, which is our customers.
Okay, good. That's it. No more time for questions. Thank you, Monika.